Today, I want to talk to you about wetlands and share with you why they are so important to our world. Before I go into that, let's define a wetland. Wetland ecosystems are characterized as having hydric or water-saturated soils. Water is at or near the surface of the soil for either some or all of the year. The hydrology of wetland systems determines the plant and animal communities found there. Wetland plants are known as hydrophytes. They are adapted for living in saturated soil conditions and play an important role in how wetlands recharge our groundwater supply. Wetlands are beautiful habitats full of life and hidden treasures. In addition to providing us with great wildlife viewing, they have a practical function as well. Wetlands are known as nature's water filters. They're able to scrub water of harmful pollutants and provide clean water for fish and other wildlife to thrive. Maybe a few helpful metaphors will show you what I'm talking about. A wetland is a whisk. Wetlands beat and churn up water, adding nutrients and oxygen into the water, which is critical to the healthy functioning of the ecosystem. A wetland is a strainer. They strain out pollutants and excess nutrients. That's what's happening here at Sweetwater Wetlands Park. And we can even strain out some of the trash that floats down here from the creek. A wetland is a bar of soap. Wetlands can clean water of excess nutrients like nitrates through the diversity of plants and bacteria in the ecosystem. A wetland is a can of soup. Wetlands provide nutrient-rich food for wildlife. For example, duckweed is a commonly found plant here at Sweetwater Wetlands Park that is super high in protein and an important food source for our wading birds. Wetlands are vitamins. Wetlands are powerhouses that provide vital nutrients into an ecosystem. The muck that accumulates is very rich and supports a multitude of plant life that in turn provides habitat for wildlife. A wetland is a sponge. Because of the plant life and the muddiness of wetlands, they are able to absorb excess water. This is especially helpful to humans because during big storm events, our homes are less likely to flood. A wetland is a pillow. We use them to sleep on and get rest. Wetlands can act as stopover sites for migratory birds, meaning that they are a place for wildlife to come and recharge with food and sleep as they travel great distances. A wetland is a cradle. Wetlands are a nursery habitat. They provide a safe place for wildlife to have their babies and rear their young. A wetland is an umbrella. They shelter you from rain. Wetlands provide habitat and shelter for wildlife and can even help buffer the effects of storms like hurricanes by slowing floodwaters. Wetlands are antacids and tums. Just like antacids can calm down your stomach when it's upset, wetlands are able to neutralize toxins in the water. A wetland is a flower. Well, not only do wetlands have flowers, they are beautiful just like a flower. Thank you for watching. I hope you now recognize how wetlands help the environment, the wildlife, and you. Please come visit us at Sweetwater Wetlands Park to see wetlands in action for yourself.